Welcome to Informatica University Success Academy. Master Data Management, External Staging. In this demonstration, you will learn to configure the MDM hub to stage the data externally. The staging phase is ideally done within the MDM hub. That is, you define the landing tables, you define the staging tables, then you create the mappings, all within the MDM hub. This phase can be performed externally through the developer client. The advantage of using a developer client is that you could reuse a large part of the logic that may have already been there, or you could use advanced cleansing capabilities, or maybe you want to profile the data before you could actually create the mappings. Before you do this, you would have to configure the MDM hub so that the repository data can be synced with the data quality engine. First, you would link the ORS to the data quality project. This means that you have to create a data quality project in the developer client. Then you enable the external staging option within the MDM hub, and then you sync the staging table data with the DQ project. Let's take a look at a short demonstration of how this is done. You would want to open both the Power Center developer client and the MDM hub. In the Power Center developer client, connect to the model repository service. Log in to the model repository service here and then create a project. Enter a name for the project. In this case, it could be MDM _ project. And then click next and click finish. This will save the project, and at this time the project is empty. Switch back to the MDM hub and click the Enterprise Manager, and then click the ORS databases. Get a right lock, and in the ORS databases, select the repository for which you would want to stage the data externally. In this case, it is the MDM sample. Enter the project name, the one that we just created in the developer client, followed by the port and the domain host. Then the model repository service name. In this case, it is infra_mrs. And then enter the credentials. I'm using administrator, you could use something else. Before you save the settings, click validate connection to see if everything is correct. Click the validate connection option and a message box should appear saying that the connection is valid. Then save the connection settings. Another message box should appear. Click OK. And then click schema and select the ORS where you would want to do the external stage, and navigate all the way to the staging table where you would want to do the external staging. So select the staging table, get a right lock, and then enable both the options. So select the staging table. In this case, it is the ODI party. Enable the Informatica platform staging and synchronize with model repository service. Enable both the options, then save your settings. Now that both the options are saved, select the landing tables, do a right click, and then click synchronize all staging tables with the model repository service. Click the option. This would allow MDM to push the staging table data into the model repository service, which can then be accessed using the Power Center developer client Once the synchronization completes, the message box appears, click OK, and then switch back to the Power Center developer client and then refresh the project. You would now be able to see the staging tables that you have created in the MDM hub. They will all appear here. You could now create the mappings within the Power Center developer client, and the staging would happen externally to the MDM. This concludes this demo. Thank you for watching.